This example is supposed to kind of show you that if you don't put the numbers in right, it'll contradict the information, or there could be a contradiction in the information you've been given. So for example, you got what web browsers are used by a sample of people? So they found that 316 people use WebMagic, 478 use iBrowse, 104 use both WebMagic and iBrowse. And then it says 567 use only one of the web browsers. Okay, so when I go to the next slide, here is the 104 that use both. So they got two circles, one with a W for web browse, was it web browse? WebMagic, and the other one was for iBrowse. That was right. But then they went on to say that there were 316 total that used WebMagic, but remember you have 104 already in there. So when you subtract 316 minus 104, you get 212. And those 212 are in this crescent moon shape. And then they tell you that 478 use iBrowse, which is all of this. But once again, you've already got 104 in the middle. So you subtract the 104 from 478, and that gives you the 374 for this crescent moon shape. But then the last piece of information, it was D, what did it say? It said that 567 use only one of the web browsers. These 212 only use WebMagic. These 374 only use iBrowse. When you add that together, you get 586, not 567. So that last piece of information, somebody messed up on that. So that's the part that contradicts. And the last example, everything so far has been Venn diagrams, but you can use tables. So this example talks about a company that sells Pilates videos, and how do customers wish to purchase the videos? Well, they've broken them down into access codes, podcasts, or DVDs. Those are your columns. And then your rows are, they consider people under 41 to be young, people between 41 and 55 to be middle-aged, and over 55 to be seniors. And they want you to find the number of elements in M, which is M is the middle-aged people here, boop, intersected with D, which is the DVD plans, and where those intersect is the, I'm sorry, that's not an intersection, that's a union. Find the number of elements in M unioned with D. My bad. That would be the intersection. 8 is the intersection. So remember we did, when was it? You would take the cardinal number of one of your sets and add it to the cardinal number of the other set to get the total, the cardinal number of the union, except if there is an overlap, which is what is happening here, you have to subtract it out. So for M, there are 86 for M plus 22 for D. But if you just add 86 and 22, you have added this 8 twice. So you have to subtract it out. And I think they showed that on the next slide. Yes, they do, right here. 86 plus 22 minus 8, and so the answer is 100. Now, B says, find the number of elements in the complement of A. Let me erase this. Just get it out of my sight. Okay. A is, if you're looking for the complement of A, that is everything that is not A. This is A, which is all of the information about access codes. You want the complement of that, so that means you want all of the podcasts and all of the DVDs, and there are 63 people who bought podcasts and 22 that bought DVDs, and you just have to add those together because there is no overlap there. So 63 and 22 gives you 85. All right. So here I am at my math lab, and I'll start a new video for